Look at these easy vegan pancakes. Just to let you know, if your vegan pancakes have burnt edges, I don't want them. Growing up, I didn't like my pancakes with crispy edges. I always wanted that restaurant style looking pancakes. But at home, that shit did not happen. So I figured out how to make easy vegan pancakes that are fluffy, evenly cooked, and with no burnt edges. And surprisingly, you don't need eggs to make your pancakes. Who knew? Save this and follow for more easy vegan recipes. Look at this. These vegan biscuits are better than Popeyes. And they're only 2 ingredients. All you need is vegan yogurt and self-rising flour. You mix it together, but warning, the biscuit batter is gonna get messy. I know these biscuits don't look like Popeyes, but it takes less ingredients and it's easy to make. They're a little crispy on the outside, but they soft on the inside. Follow for more easy vegan recipes. Looking for a new way to eat falafels? I got you. So I decided to use Trader Joe's falafels because I'm not ready to make my own yet. Now this recipe is a vegan remix of Velvet Taco's falafel tacos because they don't have any vegan tacos. I've been to Velvet Taco before, but I've never had their tacos because all they have is vegetarian tacos, so I don't think I'm missing anything. These falafel tacos were good. Veganuary or not, this is a one-pot vegan pasta under $10 you'll want to keep on repeat. Now, if you're on a budget, this meal is for you. Chickpea pasta, diced tomatoes as your pasta sauce, spinach, and spices. That's it. This is an easy one-pot vegan meal that is ready in like 15 minutes. Save this recipe for next time you're not sure what to cook. Look at this vegan chickpea tuna salad sandwich. And no, this is not tuna, it's chickpeas. As a quick hack, I like putting my chickpeas in a blender instead of mashing the chickpeas myself. Then add all your ingredients together with the spices, and you don't have to add the seaweed, it's optional. Since it's still Veganuary, I think you may need to make this easy vegan sandwich on a regular. Now, I think this is better than eating real tuna. Don't believe me? Try it yourself. Save this for the next time you need a quick and easy vegan lunch. Come here. Look at this cheesy vegan deliciousness right here. Now, I remember during the holidays or the Super Bowl, everybody in the family puts their own spin on the Rotel dip, whether they're adding beef or turkey. Well, this recipe, we only add mushrooms, no meat. Now, I don't celebrate holidays because they're based on consumerism and I'm not religious. But that's not going to stop me from recreating a healthier version of one of my favorite appetizers. Now, my vegan cheese sauce came out kind of runny because I put too much coconut milk in the sauce. And I don't measure anything, I just go with the flow. But even though I made that mistake, the flavor of the vegan Rotel was still bussin'. Stop scrolling. If you love shortbread, this one's for you. I was a Girl Scout growing up, and my favorite cookie was always trefoils. So I found this recipe online, and I made these vegan shortbread cookies with just 4 ingredients. Now, if you like your vegan cookies sweet, you'll need to add more powdered sugar because these cookies are lightly sweetened. Either way, these vegan cookies came out better than I expected. Follow for more easy vegan recipes. Peace.